If you need to visit the DMV in New York, here's how to book an appointment the right way. Start by going to the official New York DMV website. This is the safest place to find accurate information, avoid unnecessary fees, and steer clear of unofficial sites that might lead you in the wrong direction. Once you're on the site, browse through the list of services. Everything is sorted into categories like licenses, vehicle registrations, and IDs. Choose the exact service you need. For example, if you're renewing a license, make sure you're not clicking on the section for new drivers. That can slow things down or lead you to book the wrong type of appointment. Keep in mind, a lot of services don't even require a visit. Things like renewing your license, checking your license status, or paying a traffic ticket can be done online. If your task does require a visit, continue with the booking steps. Next, pick a DMV location that's convenient for you. The website lists all DMV offices with their hours, phone numbers, and addresses. Some offices are busier than others, so if your schedule is tight, consider checking more than one location. Now it's time to book your date and time. Most DMV offices still require appointments. Walk-ins are limited or not available at all. The website will show you available time slots. If nothing pops up right away, try checking again later or adjust your location or time range. To finalize your appointment, you might need to sign in or create an account. This only takes a minute and helps you track or change your appointments later. When you book, double-check all the details: your name, the service type, the office location, and your chosen time. Once you confirm, you'll get an email or message with your appointment details. Save that confirmation and bring it with you to the DMV. Before you go, make sure you have all the required documents. The DMV website has a checklist for each service. For example, if you're getting a new license, you'll need your social security card, proof of address, and proof of identity. Try to arrive a little early and be ready for any health and safety rules still in place. And that's it.